What are Japanese bathrooms like? Those are the unique Japanese toilet cover. You see the controller on the left? The left one is a low end, high one is a high end. The price between $139 to $492. And these need to be connected to the water pipe. This is Japanese restroom like. They provide an extra toilet paper. This is how they connected to the water pipe. The toilet paper will be set up nicely. So these are the button control. The water will be flushing from the bottom to clean up after you finish using restrooms. And this one is like a heater control. When you bench, it's controlled by the heat. So during the coldness, it's so when you push it, it does generate the sounds. So this is nice. Like if you try to use it, if you want to hear from the other, so this is the one provided. So as you can see, look closely, it has several buttons to control the level of the water coming out in the middle. And connected to here when you don't need to touch it closely, the water come out and finish. So this is a very high-tech Japanese restrooms from the well-known company called Toto. So this is another interesting the Japanese washing basins and hand cleaner from Mitsubishi. So you don't need to use the paper. That's a nice, eco-friendly the hand cleaner. Well, this was my tour for exploring Japanese bathrooms. Hope you enjoy it. Until next time, bye.